Hello, everyone. Welcome back to FitWell Hub, the go-to place for all things health and wellness. I'm Reza, and today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to supercharge your nutrition: superfoods. Whether you're looking to enhance your energy levels, support your immune system, or just lead a healthier lifestyle, incorporating superfoods into your diet can make a significant difference. In this video, we're going to explore the world of superfoods, understand what makes them so super, and discover some easy and delicious ways to incorporate them into your daily meals. So, grab your notepads, because it's time for Superfoods 101. Segment 1, What are superfoods? Let's start by defining what exactly superfoods are. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that are particularly beneficial for your health and well-being. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. From fruits and vegetables to seeds and grains, there's a wide variety to choose from. Some examples of superfoods include blueberries, kale, chia seeds, and quinoa. Each of these foods brings a unique set of nutrients to the table, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Segment 2, Top Superfoods and Their Benefits. Now that we know what superfoods are, let's dive into some of the top superfoods and their incredible benefits. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, can help improve memory and support heart health. Kale, a leafy green powerhouse, is loaded with vitamins and minerals, promoting bone health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. And don't forget about chia seeds, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a great addition to your breakfast or snacks. Segment 3, How to incorporate superfoods into your diet. Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about how to easily incorporate these superfoods into your daily meals. One of my favorite ways is by making a superfood smoothie. Simply blend together some blueberries, kale, a spoonful of chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. It's quick, delicious, and a fantastic way to start your day on a nutritious note. And there you have it, Superfoods 101. Remember, the key is to enjoy a variety of these nutrient-packed foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FitWell Hub for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today on this superfood adventure. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.